Welcome back to our holistic healing series. Today we are diving into the fascinating topic of clearing and pairing crystals. But before we explore today's topic, let's do a quick review of the 7 chakras, their associated colors, and the crystals that align with them. You could refer my previous videos for the detailed explanation, but I thought of just reviewing quickly so that you can recall. So understanding these connections helps us make more mindful choices when selecting and caring for our crystals. So starting with the root chakra, which is located at the base of the spine, this chakra is associated with the color red and is all about grounding and stability. Common crystals for the root chakra includes Red Jasper and Ruby. We have Sacral Chakra, found a few inches below the belly button. It is represented by the color orange and relates to creativity, emotions and intimacy. Carnelian and Hessonite Garnet are powerful crystals for this chakra. So moving up next, the solar plexus chakra is a few inches above the belly button, represented by the color yellow. It governs self-esteem and personal power. Crystals like citrine and amber resonate well with this chakra. Then we have heart chakra. It is located in the center of the chest and is associated with the color green. It symbolizes love, compassion and forgiveness. Green jade, peridot and rose quartz are wonderful choices to support this chakra. Throat chakra between the collarbones is represented by the color blue. It governs communication and self-expression. Aquamarine, blue, aventurine and sapphire could help balance and activate this chakra. Third eye chakra, located slightly above the center between the eyebrows, is linked to the color indigo. It is the seat of intuition and insight. Amethyst and lapis lazuli are commonly used to enhance this chakra. Finally, the crown chakra, located at the top of the head, connected to the color violet or white, spiritual connection and enlightenment. Crystals like clear quartz and moonstone. Let's talk about identifying your crystals by color. So basically, black crystals like onyx and obsidian are grounding and protective. Blue crystals such as aquamarine and blue apatite support truth, wisdom and communication. Green crystals like emerald and green jade enhances love, wealth and health. Pink crystals like rose quartz foster unconditional love and compassion. Purple crystals like amethyst aid in spiritual connection and intuition. Red crystals like ruby stimulate passion and vitality. White and clear crystals such as moonstone and clear quartz bring peace, purity. Yellow or gold crystals like citrine and amber promotes self-worth and abundance. Now let's explore the various methods to clear and cleanse your crystals. This is very important part of accepting any crystal. Keeping your crystals energetically clean is essential to maintaining their healing properties. So cleansing with water and salt. Water and salt are powerful natural purifiers. Wash your crystals with soapy water to remove dust, but be mindful of water soluble minerals. Not every crystals are suitable for salt or salt water or water. Crystals like pyrite is not suitable for water, so be careful. Understand that every crystals are not suitable for salt or water, but even pyrite could be cleansed using dry and rocky salt. Use dry sea salt Remember, never use plastic or metal containers for salt cleansing, and discard the salts after use, or use a Tibetan singing bowl to cleanse them. After cleansing, let's talk about how do you brighten up your crystal to enhance its energies. If a crystal feels particularly dull or lifeless, consider burying it in the earth for a day or to a week. Mark the spot well and allow the crystals to absorb the earth's revitalizing energy. This mugging, okay? Traditional herbs like sandalwood, sage, frankincense and juniper have long been used to clean stones. Simply pass your stone through the smoke until you feel it is clean. It's very simple. Clearing with sunlight or moonlight. Sunlight could clear stones quickly, but be cautious with colored gemstones which may fade. Moonlight, particularly during a full moon, placing crystals under a pyramid structure could cleanse them effectively without the risk of fading or tarnishing. Now that your crystals are cleared and cleansed, let us talk about pairing them for enhancing their energy. Just like food and wine, some crystal works better together, creating a powerful synergy of energy. Amethyst plus labradorite, okay? It's a great pairing for restful sleep and calming nightmares. Citrine plus black tourmaline combines prosperity with grounding and protection. Rose quartz plus ruby or garnet balances love. Tourmaline and clear quartz harmonizes masculine and feminine energies, creating a balanced flow. So I will talk more about crystal pairing in my another video. Remember, a well cleared and thoughtfully paired crystals could amplify its healing properties, bringing more balance and prosperity into your life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more holistic healing content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Till then, thank you. You have a wonderful weekend.